Do you know what made John D. Rockefeller one of the wealthiest men in history? It wasn't just oil, it was dividends. He famously said, "Do you know the only thing that gives me pleasure is to see my dividends coming in?" And he had good reasons to be thrilled. Dividends are like the secret sauce of wealth building. Let's break it down. From January 2000 to January 2020, if you just parked your money in the S&P 500, you'd have seen a respectable return of about 130%. But here's where it gets juicy. If you reinvested all those dividends back into the index, your return would have soared to over 235%. That's the magic of dividends. They are wealth compounding engines. So if you're looking to supercharge your investment portfolio, stick around, because in this video, we're diving into the top 7 dividend stocks to invest in today. Let's get started. Alright, so when you're on the hunt for some sweet dividend payouts, you've got 2 main routes to explore: individual dividend paying stocks, or hopping on board with funds that specialize in these kind of stocks. Let's break down how each of these options roll. First up, getting into dividend stock is pretty straightforward. You'll need a brokerage account, and it's pretty simple to set up online with one of those online broker platforms. Once you're all set with your account and some cash to throw in, it's time to pick your dividend paying stocks. And hey, your broker might even lend a hand by offering research tools to help you spot those juicy dividend opportunities. Now, if you're not feeling too confident about handpicking individual stocks, no sweat. That's where dividend funds swoop in to save the day. These can come in the form of mutual funds or ETFs, and they hold a bunch of dividend paying stocks all wrapped into one neat package. Some focus on high dividend yields, while others hunt for companies with a solid track record of dishing out those dividends. The cool thing about going the fund route, you can kick back a bit because the fund manager does the heavy lifting of managing the portfolio. Plus, with all that diversification, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. So what are the top 7 dividend stocks worth investing in right now? Let's kick things off with our first pick, 3M Company. 3M is a powerhouse in the manufacturing world. Diverse range of products that businesses and consumers rely on daily. Based in St. Paul, Minnesota, this company's portfolio spans from building materials to electronic components and even orthodontic supplies. And who hasn't heard of these iconic Scotch tape? What sets 3M apart, though, is its impressive dividend track record. This company has been dishing out dividends to its shareholders consistently over a century. Currently, 3M boasts a dividend yield of 6.3% with an annual dividend payout of $6 per share. So if you're looking for a sturdy dividend player to add to your portfolio, 3M might just be the ticket. But wait, we've got more top-notch dividend stocks coming your way, so stay tuned. Second up is JD.com Inc. It's true that Chinese stocks, including tech favorites, have taken a beating lately, thanks to various economic and geopolitical concerns. Even the Hang Seng Index in Hong Kong has stumbled about 43% in the last 5 years. Yep, it's been really tough out there. But hey, every cloud has a silver lining, right? Despite the turbulence, JD stock has taken a steep dive, almost an 80% drop from its peak in 2021. But JD's business hasn't taken the same nosedive, and it's still growing strong. Now, here's where it gets interesting. JD's stock is trading at just 7 times its expected earnings for the futures. Plus, it's throwing in a 2.7 dividend yield for good measure. So while sentiment might be down in the dumps, JD.com's fundamentals are holding steady. Keep an eye on JD as it weathers the storm and potentially emerges even stronger. Up next, we have Altria. Altria is the powerhouse behind Marlboro cigarettes, one of the most widely known tobacco brands globally. Altria has an impressive dividend yield of 9.4% with an annual dividend payout of $3.92 per share. So if you're on the lookout for dividend payouts, Altria might just light up your portfolio. McDonald's Corporation. McDonald's needs no introduction. It's the king of fast food restaurants worldwide, operating both company-owned and franchise franchise stores. Now here's why it's catching our eyes. McDonald's boasts an A financial health rating. Analysts are projecting an estimate of 9% annual growth in earnings per share over the next 5 years. While this growth rate might be on the lower side compared to the others on our list, it still surpasses the median expected growth rate of 8.7% for S&P 500 stocks. And McDonald's has been a stellar long-term performer, consistently outpacing the S&P 500 by an average of 2.2% points per year over the last decade. Fifth, Marsh & McLennan Company, Inc. This company specializes in insurance and risk consulting services, operating through 4 main businesses: Marsh, Guy Carpenter, Mercer, and Oliver Wyman. Marsh & McLennan is making waves because it boasts an impressive A rating for financial health. Not only that, but it's been growing its earnings per share at a whopping rate of over 18% annually. While this growth is expected to ease a bit, it's still projected to clock in at a solid 11.1% per year on average for the next 5 years. Plus, Marsh & McLennan has a strong track record of upping its dividends, and that trend is likely to continue. But this stock has been beating the S&P 500 by a hefty margin of 6.1 percentage points per year over the past decade, making it one of the top performers on our list. Next up, we have Verizon Communication. Verizon is a telecom giant with a Morningstar rating of 4 stars. It's in the telecom service industry and currently offers a trailing dividend yield of 6.57%. Despite its solid dividend yield, Verizon stock is trading at a bargain, sitting around 26% below what Morningstar believes its fair value of $54 per share. Verizon has faced some challenges in adding new wireless customers, but they're optimistic about future. They believe that as competition in wireless industry improves, major US carriers like Verizon will see a boost in profitability down the line. In fact, Verizon's recent 4th quarter results have been impressive, with strong free cash flows. Morningstar notes that Verizon has been dedicating a significant chunk, around 60%, of its cash flows to dividends, highlighting its commitment to rewarding shareholders. Next, we have JP Morgan Chase & Co. Now, if you're talking about big players in the banking world, JP Morgan Chase definitely takes the cake. This powerhouse manages $3 trillion in assets, making it one of the largest banks and financial services companies globally. So what's been going on with JP Morgan lately? Well, despite some turbulence in the financial sector due to a few bank failures in early 2023, JP Morgan saw an opportunity and swooped in, and they snagged the failed First Republic Bank after it was seized by Federal Deposit Insurance Corp. Analysts like Betsy Graseck are saying that the bank is not only gaining market share, but also has a rock-solid balance sheet with a capital level well above the regulatory minimums. In fact, Morgan Stanley has slapped an overweight rating on JP Morgan stock with a price target of $221. And thanks for tuning into our rundown of the top 7 dividend stocks to consider today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below for more investment insights. Now we want to hear from you. Which dividend stocks caught your eye?